Okay, good day. Now we are going to continue with what we were doing. Now today we are going to be adding doors and windows to our project. This is one of my favorites, so just look at it, listen and follow through. Thank you. Let's do it. Okay, now welcome to part 3. Today I'm going to be adding doors. I'm going to add doors and openings. Okay, when we want to add doors, we have to select the door tool, select the door settings dialog. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to look at is the floor plan and section. I'm going to check this box and this one, select this, change it to 1. I'm going to select this, change this to 1. I think I'm done. As you can see, it's now in black and white. I'm going to hanging door settings. I'll change this to my preferred leaf. Let me use this one for my example. Change this to full. Change this to 1 in 50. Okay, change. Let me select a handle for this example. This, let me use handle 4. Okay, as you can see, handle has been added. Right, I'm going to change this to 115 so that the door does not flush with the wall. I'm going to change this to 300, which is so that it will sit on top of the slab. Okay, once I'm done with that, I'm going to change this to 810. Okay, I think you can toggle through this so that you see. Okay, once you click on this 3D, you find out that the colors, they are not that appetizing if you ask me. So we'll go to door settings and openings, change this color, the small door attributes color, the first one. I'm going to use uniform door surfaces. Okay, let me not do that. Let me change this one to white, the second one to white, then this one I'll use this oak light. This one I'll also use that oak light. Okay, these two are oak light, that one is white, so that the frame is whitish. Okay, then I'll go to model attributes, the second one. This has to do with the frame. Okay, let's just wait for it to open. Model attributes, I'll change this to white. Okay, as you can see, I think it looks better that way. I'll click on the OK button. Okay, now I'm going to be adding my door on this side. As you can see, the frame is there. You can then move your mouse so that you see how it's going to open. Make sure that this light symbol is on the outside. Okay, so I want it to open like this, and I'll click here. You can go to 3D. You can click on this one or the O so that you orbit. Okay, as you can see, the door is there. Okay, I'm going to add other doors. I'm going to remove this, click on the 0. Okay, change this. I want a different door type, so I'll select on the attributes, go back to set door settings and openings, change this to maybe something like that. Okay, once I'm done, I'm going to start adding my doors. Okay, on the toilet, I want a door like that. Okay, I want a door there. I also want a door there. I want another door here. I want a door here. Okay, let me have, I'll use the arc for this one. Okay, I want to have a fanlight door, which is a different door type to this one. So we'll go to the door settings dialog. I'll wait for it to open. Okay, instead of using this particular door, I'm going to go for one that has a transom. Select this one. This is what it looks like. I'm going to select, let's say, this door for this. I'm going to select this handle. Okay, I'm going to change this to full. I'm going to change this to 50. Then I'm going to go for the colors. Okay, only the ones with the two leaves, those are the ones that I would want in oak. Wherever it would leaf, I'll just change to oak like this. Okay, this is for the glass. I'm going to change that. I'm going to change this one to white. Sorry, I picked that one. I'll just do that. It's supposed to be this white. I'm going to change that one to that white. That one, that white, that one, white. Okay. I think I'm making some mistakes. Let me just have a uniform color for this one. Okay, I'm going to change this to oak light. Okay, then I'll select for the frame this. I'll change this one to this white color. Okay, as you can see, there are bits and pieces that are not actually white. I'll change this. I'll leave it at 0. Okay, then I think I'm done. I'll just add this one. I want it to be a bit different, which it is. Okay, I'm going to reduce this to 810. Okay, I'll then draw my door there. Okay, I'll go to 3D. I'll wait for the doors to load. As you can see, all the doors have been added. Now I want to add a few openings. Okay, my openings, I'm going to add an opening here and here. Okay, I'll select the door 2, then I'll go to empty opening. I'm going to be using this arc. Okay, let's start here. I'm going to, let me just add it as is. Okay, it has to be 300 2.1. Okay, let me add it here. As you can see, 3D. Okay, it's coming out nicely. Okay, once we are done, we're going to add a rectangular opening. I'm going to add a rectangular opening. Instead of using, I'm going to use this one. Okay, I'm going to change this to 200. Then I'm going to change this to, instead, if I add 100 there, I will then have to, because of the feature that I'm going to add, I will have to add 300. Okay, so it's going to be 2400. Then we are done. I'm going to add that one. I'm going to add it here. I'm going to add another one here. Okay, let me just hit the escape button, click on this corner, move this point to that point, then move this point to that point. Okay, then move this point to that point, this point to that point. Okay, I think we're done. Let's just see the 3D. Okay, thank you. See you in the next one.